In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly fix the Microsoft Word file load open error. So the Trust Center settings at the Microsoft programs allow you to customize the privacy and security settings. With these settings, you can share the Word document with other users and even restrict some information. So to disable the protected view settings, it can also resolve and open corrupted Word docs and docx files. So to start, open the Microsoft Word application on your system, not the file, just your Microsoft Word software. Click on Options in the File menu. Then click on Trust Center and then select Trust Center Settings. Then go to the Protected View tab and uncheck all the boxes and then finally click on OK. Now, close the Word application and try to open that file that you can't open before. And this should work. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.